Yeah! Woo! Man, he woke you up today. Be excited about that. Be excited about the fact that he has something waiting for you. Yes, you. And today could be the day. Wow. Man, there's not a day that goes by I'm not super excited to hop on here and tell you how amazing or how great my God is. Woo, wow. Be excited about today. You woke up. I'm telling you, he's going to do something so amazing that only Jesus, the Holy Spirit, and prayer are you able to accomplish what you're going to accomplish today. I'm here to tell you, be excited about the fact of whatever you've been praying for. It's starting to come true. Jesus knows and believes that he can trust you with what it is that he's going to put on you or he's going to use you. Wow. Today's Monday. Be excited about today. Go get your coffee, make your safety meeting, and be excited. I'm telling you, be excited about today. Wow, I hope that does something for you. Woo! Yeah! Woo! I'm telling you, something big is going to happen today. Yeah! Go get them. One more for Jesus. Woo!